Welcome, Amazon sellers and soon to be Amazon sellers. It's Tim from ALGO Online Retail, and today I'm going to share the two tools you must have to sell on Amazon in 2026. And look, if you're using more than these two, you're probably wasting money and making this whole business harder than it needs to be. Just 3 years ago, it took like 6 different tools and sometimes a VA just to run a simple Amazon business. Today, two tools can run almost the whole operation. Right here they are. Tool number one is Profit Hunter. Profit Hunter replaces a bunch of the old tool stack. And here's why it matters. Most new sellers lose because they're guessing. Guessing demand, guessing competition, guessing profit. Profit Hunter gives you facts fast. It shows you demand, competition, and real profit. So you don't get fooled. Like if you've got a list of 100 or 10,000 products, you can upload it. And Profit Hunter tells you which ones are winners and which ones are trash. No manual analysis, no guesswork. And tool number two is ChatGPT or any similar AI software. In 2026, ChatGPT is basically a full-time assistant for like $20 per month, doing everything a VA would do for $1,000. Supplier outreach emails, cleaning messy catalogs, seller account improvements, troubleshooting, planning your month. For example, you drop in a messy PDF catalog and say, fix this, clean it up, and make it usable for a bulk analyzer like Profit Hunter, and boom, it's done. So here's the takeaway. If you just master Profit Hunter plus ChatGPT, you're ahead of most new sellers. You don't need to spend thousands on half a dozen of those popular tools everyone talks about. With just these two tools, you move faster, spend less, and make smarter decisions. And if you want me to show you exactly how to use this system step by step, click below and register for my free training this week. I'll show you how to get your first sales on Amazon in 30 days with less than $2,000, even if your brand's spanking new. Click below and I'll see you there. Bye for now.